Hey everyone, welcome to another Daydream. So this is about something very special that I've wanted for a while for my car. It's basically a new steering wheel which has been custom made to sort of my specs. You can get a lot of steering wheels which are a bit too over the top, which is why I went for a custom spec wheel. Because I also actually really like my GT350 OEM steering wheel in the car. So the instructions were actually very specific. I went to quite a few retrimmers and etc. around the UK, and a lot of them said that they couldn't do it, or they would like to have a look at the wheel first before they could do it. But one said, yep, we can do this for you, and we're happy to take the wheel on. And that company was Control Custom Steering Wheels, and I sent the wheel off before Christmas. It's February now, so it did take a bit of time to do. I bought another wheel from the States, so yeah, I have another wheel there, but that's my OEM wheel, and I don't wanna. So this is the other wheel. Look at that, and I don't want to ruin that, because just in case if one day I want to put the car back to stock, I have everything I need. So I bought another wheel to be able to do this. Huge shout out to NASA. Right, Perseverance just landed on Mars, which is a great achievement for mankind. If you're an engineering guy, you know, you've got to appreciate what those guys are doing. It's a huge achievement, almost 300 million miles away. You know, wow. So little round of applause for them. And without further ado, this is the box that's just been delivered today. Let's get into it. Right, I'm giving you guys the extra views, so here we go. First things first, get ourselves a nice cutter. We don't want to cut through the steering wheel, so we're going to be very careful. Oh, I think this might be the bottom. Let's try the top, yeah. So I haven't seen this either, so yeah, there we go. Lots of bubble wrap. Ooh, it looks good. Oh wow. Yes sir. That looks phenomenal. I am very happy with that. Yeah, so you can see my instructions were very clear, in the sense that I wanted a GT350 wheel. I wanted a GT350 look, but I wanted this rev meter in there. And the other things you often get from aftermarket wheels are that the areas around here are contoured too harshly, and I am not a huge fan of that. I actually dislike it very much. So my instructions were to replicate the GT350 wheel, but with the addition of this. So you've got the Napa leather at the bottom, black Alcantara, silver stitching. Guys, I'm very happy with the workmanship here. I can't wait to get this on and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I can't wait. And these are the cables that I'm gonna have to run. So next you'll see me basically installing this. So actually let's just do a quick test. So this is a 12-volt battery. It's negative goes to negative, positive goes to, woo, look at that. Oh man, I can't wait to get this on and show you guys how to put it on as well, because this will obviously be a tutorial. So yeah, this is it. Wow, it's perfect. If you notice, there is a scratch here, but I'll just replace that with my factory one, because this is as is. It came from a guy in the States, and the rest of it is okay. I think there's a scratch at the bottom somewhere, so here, I don't know if I'll change that because no one's ever gonna see that. I also have a spare one there, and I have a spare one on my steering wheel. The general plan of installation for this is basically to tap these wires in. So the blue one is irrelevant, I believe. So the red one and the black one, I'll tap these in to like an empty pin here, right? So I've got some tools which I can use to basically cannibalize the pins from this one here, put these cables in there, and we're good to go basically. So it will go here, and then I'll carry these wires out from the clock spring, again utilizing 2 more pins from that steering wheel, yeah, then I can have power supply going to it. It can be grounded, and then basically what happens is it's got a control unit which mounts into the OBD port, which also has a spare, so I can still have my Lund N gauge plugged in, and yeah, it should work, guys. Wow, I can't, like, this is awesome. This is nice. Yeah, up next will be the installation. Peace out.